The sun goes down early. By 6 p.m. it's basically complete darkness. But the night just got started. If you wait long enough, you can actually see some baby sharks from the pier. But sadly, you also get to witness the cycle of life. Despite this, sea lion got injured by the sharks, the locals believe that nature should take its course. If you need to be hydrated, you get the best deals on drinks across from the piers. It is the only supermarket in town. This is where you come across escape the tourist price. The price is the same for locals and visitors. So they cost range from $1 to $3. Not so bad. Honestly, one thing I did not expect here in the Galapagos, they have donuts. Oh my god, like it makes me feel so happy. But the lineup is just way too long, and I don't want to wait, honestly. So I guess I have to put this back because I really want it. But I just don't want to wait that long. I want to have proper dinner. But don't worry, there's also a natural way to flew up right on the boardwalk. Oh my god, it's really good. And the great thing about the straw is actually they use paper straw, so to be more environmentally friendly. Afterwards, this is what you get. You get the coconut, and you eat it. Not only you get a great coconut along the boardwalk, it's also where the locals hang out at night. First, you get to see many street talents, and best of all, the live performance will always be free. So make sure to cheer up and clap for these performers. Clap hard. In case you need to hire a bodyguard, I got you covered. There's even a taekwondo performance on some nights. These little guys might be small, but they can definitely kick some butt, Oriental style. Another evidence that Asian art taking over the world. Now, no one told me Jesus was actually born here in the Galapagos, but from the look of this setup, it looks pretty convincing. Maybe it is true after all. As you continue to walk along, you'll have a chance to pick up some local souvenirs and support the local economy, in particular, the local artists. Near the fishing pier, there's actually a small handicraft market which you can come and pick up some souvenirs for you to take home. Now, always haggle and bargain, because it's part of local experience. Hey, if they complain, you can blame on me because I say so. Number two, make sure you support the local economy by looking at the tag. It's not made in China or something like that. I'd rather your money stays here, and support the artists which make these handicrafts. But my favorite way of supporting the local economy and its people is by eating. No kidding. So let's check out the seafood night markets for the crazy rich Asians. For those of you who like seafood, you're in for a treat because at nighttime, many of the streets are turned into a fish market. So what it is basically they close down the street and only accessible to pedestrians, and they put all the tables and also all the restaurants here. They put all the fresh catches with their specialties and whatever they are offering, and you get to pick and choose. The price here is a little bit pricey. However, Galapagos Islands surrounded by sea, they can't screw up on this one. I realized actually one of the dishes you can get here is called chive, and what it is actually swordfish. I believe it's swordfish, and they put some lime on it. Please keep in mind is don't eat it on the street. Because you're eating raw fish, there's a big possibility of food poisoning. Yes, please do not eat any unrefrigerated raw fish to avoid potential upset stomach or food poisoning. Secondly, if you are not the crazy rich Asians, there's also budget menus. You just need to look hard. For the same price, there's also pizza. But come on, you're not coming all the way to Galapagos to eat pizzas or the Chinese food. It's really overpriced. And you know, I'm a big fan of fried rice, so I need to have my dose of it. I haven't had the fried rice in almost like ages. So I think the cook is making my fried rice right now. I'd like to see how it stands up to my standard. So what they have is actually over here, it's actually the chicken and also some barbecue pork.
Want a picture?
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, sure. They have to do that. Usually Cantonese fried rice have the barbecue pork and also some seafood. But this Galapagos, I'm very forgiving. You are given soy sauce and also ketchup. We don't use ketchup in fried rice. Especially the barbecue pork. Not 100%, but it's pretty close by.